See, watch, and look. In this video, you'll learn how to differentiate these three similar words. These words are pretty confusing, as they are all used to talk about our sense of sight. In some languages, we only have one word for all of these. The first word is see. It is used when something catches our eyes or when there's an image captured by our eyes. You see something without intention of seeing it. In this case, we use see, and it is always done unintentionally. For example, I saw your brother last night. I saw him accidentally. I didn't want to see him, so I use saw. We see a man standing by our house. We see that man unintentionally. And I saw a vintage car at the market. Next word is look. It is used when you direct your eyes into a direction and focus on the object, or when we try to look at something with intention or reason, and we try to pay more attention. For example, he looks at the sky when he is sad. He looked at him and started crying. And the last one, she's looking at you. She's looking at you with intention and with reason, so we use look. And the last word is watch. Unlike see and look, you watch something for a longer time. And we pay attention, and we usually do it with interest. We watch things that are moving and require our attention. For example, last night I was watching my favorite movie. With paying attention, so we use watch. Let's watch this match together. And I didn't watch the show last week. To understand the differences better, I made a table for you. See, look, and watch. All of these are verbs. See means to see an image captured by eyes. And we use it when it happens for a short time, when it happens unintentionally, and when it doesn't require attention. Next verb is look. It is verb. And look at something with intention. And we use it when we look at something for a short time. We look at something with intention. It needs attention, and it is usually used for unmoving things. The last one is watch. Watch is verb. And we pay attention for a longer time. So we use it when we watch something for a longer time. We watch it with interest and intention. It needs attention, and it is usually used for moving things. Let's do some examples. Number 1. Blank at my new cell phone. My dad gave it to me last week. The answer is look. Look at my new cell phone. My dad gave it to me last week. Number 2. I put the painting on the ceiling, so it would be the first thing I blank in the morning. The answer is see. I put the painting on the ceiling, so it would be the first thing I see in the morning. Next example. Do you want to blank the concert with me? The answer is watch. Do you want to watch the concert with me? Next one. I like blank my mom cooking. The answer is watch. I like watching my mom cooking. Next, please blank at the board and listen carefully. The answer is look. Please look at the board and listen carefully. And the last one. I went walking yesterday and blank my friend. The answer is see. So, I went walking yesterday and saw my friend. Hope you find it useful. To see other videos like this, tap the links in the description. Like and subscribe for more videos.